Hello guy, I don't come again today. Now still your girl. Joy. Okay. See wetin carry us come here. Very important talk. Wey go help you. Wey go make your mind dey clearly. Make you know so nothing dey happen. Just listen. No matter how bad people treat you, never you become a bad person. No matter how bad people treat you, never you become a bad person. Don't let them push you to the wall. Don't be a bad person to revenge. Because God knows the beauty of your heart. Yes, God knows the beauty of your heart. God knows that you are not the bad person they called you. You are not the demon, the ekwensu, the winch they called you. You are not a desperate one they called you. Maybe you are only trying to be kind. You are only trying to, to make to let other people who are close to you, make them they okay. But at the end of it, they will turn it against you and say you are wicked. No matter how bad people treat you, never you revenge. Because God knows the beauty of your heart. Yes. Do you know why I said so? Bad influence, bad people will come and push you. They will push you. They will push you. You do this. You do that. Now, wow. My dear, listen. Even some self go they send you attack. Say because of your goodness, so that they will kill you. Just like that. But because of say you get God, we know your heart. We know your heart is very beautiful. They can never do you anything. Your enemies can never, they can only shake you, but they cannot kill you. Yes. But at the end of it, it will surely go back to them. What I'm trying to say now is that anything you do to a human being today must surely come back to you, not then, even as you are doing it. Because the world are wicked. Come to the village, you will see posters. You will see obituary poster. You will see women, as young women, young men, we will say they never reach to die. Many of them don't go visit their ancestors at earlier stage. Because of say, don't even say they die out of say an accident. Now human being like you and I, now they kill them. Now human being, now they kill them. You follow human being, we get flesh and blood. Now they think how you go take bath somebody. Human being, wait till you follow human being do you for this life. If you like do anything that will not concern me, you go back to you. If I say you don't know who Joy be, for your head, the praise. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that no matter how bad people treat you, my dear, never you take a revenge. Never you take a revenge. Still be kind. Be kind so that our God will fight for you. I saw this one carry come my side. Let me still be your girl, Joy. Yeah? Joy. This one are for my enemies. The ones say if they see me like this, this girl don't come back. She don't come back. Ha? Oh, that she be. Joy, send you message. I don't even look your face. I don't even know whether if they exist. You are killing yourself. You dey drink paracetamol for another person headache. You dey drink paracetamol for Joy headache. Joy they drink water, they enjoy himself, they drink milk. Don't worry. See you next time, I am still your girl, Joy. You don't understand. See, if you see me, they call me one. Good girl. Yes.